Understand?
Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to eat on the hot pot. Hot pot.
Every Wednesday. Filipino?
Kaya po Sumayanas Greens, Mr. Rancho. Ano yung Mr. Ay, my Rancho. Nandito ka sa Korean hot pot.
Beef? Beef tongue?
Beef.
Pork belly? You want pork belly?
No, the meat.
This is all meat, dear.
This one.
Beef?
Oh, parang,
How many you want? How many do you want?
try 5, I don't know. I don't know. I know I eat meat.
Crab?
Crab.
How many?
Try 6.
You got all that stuff to eat.
Ay nga, 5 muna, 5.
You're gonna fill up on a couple things. Dumplings?
Yes, yes. 5. Ay, 3.
You can come back.
Ah, okay.
Lobster.
3 muna. Yes, lobster. 3 muna, 3. 3 pieces.
Morganita, rice cake.
Yes, put right here. 3 pieces lang yun. Then, yes,
I gotta cook all this.
oh, no.
Cold.
Yep.
Egg. Egg.
Yes, siguro, I think 2.
This is all you can eat. You can keep coming back.
Yeah,
Sausage.
this is a lot. What the other?
This is bacon.
Bacon wrap,
This is ribeye steak.
ribeye stick. I like that.
Kill me, woman. I only got one plate here.
What?
Let's go with this right now, okay?
Alright, okay.
Come down here and look. Crab.
I think for later na yan.
There's
Yeah, I like that with cheese. We need to put a cheese for that.
no cheese. There's shrimp. There's crab. There's crawfish.
Crawfish.
Scallops. Octopus.
Octopus and octopus.
I don't know how to cook octopus. But you're killing me, woman.
I will tell you. I
You would
know.
tell me you can do it yourself. You'll be right in front of you. That's
Okay,
good.
okay.
Shrimp or scallops.
Scallops, what? It's scallop, huh?
Buttered shrimp. This has got butter on it.
Yes, I like that.
Scallops is that down there. These are really good.
You have more. Wow.
Let's start with this. dude.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright. Dito na tayo sa may lamesa. Start na tayo, magluto na tayo.
Where's your soup?
Alright. So, magluto na tayo. Ito yung soup natin. Spicy.
That's your soup.
Yeah. So, that's yours?
Yes, dear.
Spicy yours too?
Yes, dear.
Ah, okay. Yan, ito na. Ayan. Tipsy, egg, rice. Ito na yung mga lulutuin natin.
I don't know how you're supposed to get it.
Ha?
How you supposed to get the soup out? I don't know how you get the soup out.
Oh. Look at that.
These are your veggies, dear.
Ah, yeah, I know. This one. So, naglagay na ho tayo dito sa sa sauce ng corn, tsaka noodles, at mushroom. Tapos ito,
You think these are done?
I cook this or direct to put in the...
Put in there, dear.
Yeah, lagay na lahat ng
Is your
mushroom dito.
octopus done?
Yes. na rin ang ating, ayan, octopus. Kakamit natin. Submit na rin natin ito.
Lobster.
Lobster. Ayan. Ayan yung lobster natin. This one, I can put also on the soup. But
No.
no, the
You can
barbecue.
put the crab in the soup, yeah.
The crabs on, the crabs.
You can put it in the soup after you cook it, dear.
Yeah, after cooking, also this one. What's the other pork soup that lang? What is this?
Oh, dear. You need to eat everything.
What is this?
I don't know. I just said I do not know.
Okay. That's different. I just asked them. I do the other.
If you grab something,
It's in. Nilagay ko na sa liter. Tapos yung mga gas natin. Kumain ka ng marami
okay.
Fish and steak. Dami ko yan.
Yes.
Ang dami mo na. You eat more, Hannah. You eat more.
I eat more. Fish and shrimp and scallops.
Happen with corn. Seafood with corn and Korean food. Kasi ito yung ano. Yan. Yan yung Korean food natin.
Oh, I don't eat fish. Right?
Yep. Now you eat fish.
Yeah.
What type of fish is that?
Salmon. Salmon.
Salmon. My God, ang dami na nakain, Michael. You eat more. May rice ko, hindi pabawas yung rice ko. Dami namin kinuha. Oh, takbuhan yung mga ano dito. Yung mga food. Oh, grab mo. Basta mo mag-grab yan.
Look, how are they moving?
Oh, paano daw nag-move no?
How are they moving?
Oo nga, paano nag-move to na nakasunin? I'm so full, guys. So we're here at Korean restaurant. Ayan. Dito tayo sa Korean. Dito sa Korean. Restaurant pa ito. Ayan. More food in here. Oh, may nagsasama yung pagkain. Buwan. Gising. Ngipin ko ano.
Chopstick. Want to take that home?
I don't know how to use it. Huh?
Take them home.
Even we don't know how to use it?
Yeah, you can use them. Play with, have Santino play with them. Santino will play with them.
Oh my God. Hindi ako marunong gumamit nitong stick.
Thank you.
So, magbabayad
well,
na
thank
kami.
I full. I had to eat half her food. About to rain again.
So, busog na busog kami.
Did you ask the nine to Thai how were those how that food was moving?
No, I've not sent them. I just put on the